Okay, dear friends, in the last lecture we learned some how to draw the table, how to insert columns or rows. Okay, so how to split the row. Okay, how to split in the sense how to separate. Clear? So now we will discuss about merging cells. Suppose you are having two cells in the sense suppose you are having two columns, okay, two columns or two rows. You want to merge it, or you want to merge two columns. You see figure number 6.10, merging cells. Okay, so merging cells means what? Two cells you can you can merge it. So here data should not be same. Okay, or you have to blank it. You have to you should not write down anything. First of all you have to go for merge it, then you go for enter your data. Then how to merge it? First of all select the cells you want to merge, click on the layout tab. लेआउट टैब जाके अपना सिलेक्ट करना कितना सेल्स को मर्ज करना. देन सिलेक्ट द मर्ज सेल बटन इन द मर्ज ग्रुप में जाके मर्ज सेल को क्लिक करना. ऑटोमेटिकली योर कॉलम्स या सेल्स इज गोइंग टू बी मर्ज. अप्लाइंग बॉर्डर्स एंड शेडिंग. अप्लाइंग बॉर्डर्स और शेडिंग मीन्स सपोज यू हैव डिजाइंड वन टेबल, so how to apply different borders or shading. Okay, click on the design tab, then line style, line width by clicking on the dialog box launcher button of the draw borders groups. Okay, so in this place you can easily identify what kind of borders you want to use it, and what is the shading means how much or what is the border line you can use it, shade. Okay, next, so shade means you can see it is clearly visible. Figure number 6.11. so different shades are there. So by using any line, if you by using any style, your border shade will be accordingly it is changed. Okay, it may be thick, it may be thin, medium thin. You can choose it according your requirement. Very simple, just you go for that. Then calculations in a table. Calculations in a table means what? Suppose 40 students you are entered the final mark or final term exam marks you have entered, and if you will write down one formula, then automatically every student how much mark they have secured, total marks, it is you will get automatically. Only one student you have to write down the formula, then you have to drag it to the down. Automatically you will get the all the all the students final result. Okay, I am just given one example. It is not like that only the students result. You can go for any kind of calculations. Okay, mail merge means what? In business as well as in personal matters, it is often required to send letters with similar information different people. The letter requires the name and address to each recipient to the printed on the top. Changing the address each time would be a very long process and wastage of time and effort. Okay, mail merge features of Microsoft Word is used to combine the data source which contains address of all the recipients with the main document. Means what? Suppose whenever we are sending the mail to the receiver, okay, at that time we are writing in the CC, means those the other person, those the secondary person we want to send them also, all the address we can copy paste with the main document. It saves our time and energy to save letters to multiple addresses. Means multiple address जाने के लिए ये time save होगा. Clear? Next, data source. What do you mean by data source? Data source consists of a mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. Suppose name, address, city, pin, telephone number. If you are, that is you can called as sample data source. Okay, suppose name column you have to write down the 5 10 number of students name, address column, you have to write down the address, then which city they belongs to, pin number and telephone number. Okay, that is called data source, collection of data you can say. Then coming to the main document, what does it mean? The main document means what? The main document contains the text that we wish to send to the recipient. The main document contains the text with wish to what send the recipient, means whatever documents you need to send that can be accessed easily by the receiver. Merge field. What is the merge field? The main document is a data item such as name, address, city, pin, etc., which instruct Microsoft Word where to insert the data source, that is names, address, information in the main document. Okay, that is the called as merge field. Okay, merge field means you have to enter the data, the main data, that should be name, address, city, pin, etc., it should be there. Then mail merge involves the 3 basic steps. क्या क्या steps है mail document में? One is the creating a mail document, specifying a data source. Third one, merging the data source with the main document. These are the 3 main steps for the merge field. Clear? Creating a mail merge document. Creating a mail merge document means what? To create a mail merge main document, follow these steps. Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter Microsoft Word that you want to send to different people at their address. First of all, you have to open the document wherever it is, so that is the starting mail merge. Then click on the mailing tab in the start mail merge group. Click on the start mail merge drop down arrow and select the step by step mail merge wizard option. Okay, so here you see the figure number 6.15, selecting the document type. The mail merge task pane appear on the right side of the application window as shown in the 6.15. Here steps are very clearly it is written. Once you will do na, then it is automatically able to understand, I think so. Okay, first of all you go through that, what are the steps are written, you can able to understand easily. Okay, next, creating recipients list. To create a new mailing list, select the type a new list radio button under the select recipient. Select in the mail merge task pane and click on the create option as shown in the 6.17. okay, you can see the 6.17 here, that is the mail merge. So here options are there, that is select recipients, use an existing list, तुम्हारा जो list existing है वही select कर सकते हो, या सिलेक्ट द फ्रॉम आउटलुक कॉन्टैक्ट्स, बाहर का कोई किसी को कॉन्टैक्ट्स को ऐड करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते हो. टाइप ए न्यू लिस्ट. टाइप ए न्यू लिस्ट मीन्स यू वांट टू जनरेट सम अदर कॉन्टैक्ट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यू लिस्ट. ओके, inserting merge fields. Inserting merge fields means what? Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record fields on the mailing tab. Click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field groups. Okay, so here you have to go for the figure number 6.20. That is what? Insert merge field dialog box. You see, first of all you have to select the title, their first name, last name, address line, city. Okay, so field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Example, that is your name, address, city, etc. And record is a row in a data source, you can say. A number of fields make one record. Obviously it can consist of one record. Now press tab to move between the fields while typing the information. The data source can be created in Microsoft Word database file or it can be created in another application like Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Access, you can say. Okay, so here again I am telling you how to insert merge fields. Here steps are written. Okay, just read one by one line so that you can do it properly. Next, printing the letters. How to print it? You can take the printouts of your letter within the merged data of your data source. In order to print size letter, follow the given steps. Okay, suppose your document is ready, you want to print it, just go to the print option and select the print preview. How if I want to print it, then how it looks like, what is the size of the letters, whether all the contents are ready to print or not. Okay, all these things you need to check it first, then you follow the steps. Automatically you can easily print all these things whatever your requirement. Okay, that is selecting print document option, it is written, so you can easily do that.